Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Hi, we are again here with a new video about how to recover deleted data that is deleted intentionally or by mistake. So let's start with the video. Open Chrome browser on your PC. Search Comfy Partition Recovery. Click on this result. Click free download. Download link 1. Downloading start. Downloading is finished. Install this software. Click next. Agree. Next. Now it's installing the software. Click finish. Open the software. Close it. Click on the drive you want to recover data from. Now it's scanning the device. It's take a little bit time. I skip that all. Click finish. It shows the deleted folders. Select the folder and click the recovery. Click next. So you can recover all your data. Hope this video helped you. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.